Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I have a very special treat for you today. We are going to be heading over on the other side of my shop that hasn't been seen before. And trust me, if you like motorcycles just like the ones behind me, you're going to love it over there. Now, a quick backstory for some of my newer viewers here on the channel. I have been making YouTube videos rebuilding wrecked motorcycles for about the last 4 years now. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. What is up, guys? Rob here with RK Motorsports, and today we have another wrecked bike rebuild. What is going on, guys? Rob here with RK Motorsports. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Rob here with RK Motorsports. What is going on, guys? Rob here with RK Motorsports. That whole filming has taken place within this 900 square foot room where I rebuild all of my motorcycles. As you can see, some of the bikes. Here's the CBR that I just got finished rebuilding. But pretty much this 900 square foot area is what you guys have seen for the last 4 years. Now, over there on the other side of those windows, on the other side of that door, is another 900 square feet. Now this right here is the work area, and that over there is the storage area. That's where I keep all of my bikes. Now, before we head over there, I know you guys are wondering what's up with this bike on the lift behind me? What's up with that blue R6 behind me? First, before we head over there to the other side of the shop, I'm gonna go through all the bikes that are over here on this side, and I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown on the status of all of these motorcycles and what we're gonna be doing with these bikes. So first things first, starting off with this 2000 Honda CBR 929. This has been seen in the background of a couple of my other videos from a few months ago. And this one is basically just a customer's bike. Been doing some service on it. Unfortunately, he was riding around, came back, and he had some clutch issues. And you guys can see right here, that is not what you want to see coming out of your clutch cover. It was a catastrophic failure. The clutch basically just blew apart. There's pieces of clutch everywhere, and you know, these pieces broke off. Most likely went into the oil pan, so I'm gonna have to do some work to this thing to get this back up and running. So this bike is not gonna be a video on the channel. This is just some of the stuff that I do on the side for customers with helping do some service work on some bikes. But another bike that you're gonna see on the channel is this right here, this 2009 Yamaha R6. This one was laid down pretty good, giving you guys a quick little sneak peek. Got some major damage to the tank right there. Plastics all broken up, headlight is damaged. This one is gonna be hopefully a quick rebuild for me. You can see this thing's lowered like crazy, slammed down on the ground, more broken plastics back here. This is gonna be a next future rebuild. Pretty much one of the next videos is gonna be this R6 right here. So on from that one, my 2003 Kawasaki Ninja 636. So many of you guys have been asking me in the comments, what's up with this bike? Is it for sale? Can I buy it? The quick answer is yes, this bike is for sale, but I don't really know what I want to sell it for. This bike only has this many miles on it, guys. Look right here. That's right, 2,001 miles. This thing is all original. I have to go through, I want to clean it, detail it. It's a little bit dirty. There was definitely some stuff from it sitting that I have to address, but this bike is one that's going to be on the channel as well. I'm going to be going through cleaning this one up, and we're going to be doing a video on this one. Over here, we got that CBR 600 that we just finished rebuilding. If you guys haven't seen that one, be sure to check this full rebuild out on the channel. I'm also going to be doing a full start to finish compilation video of this, so all video parts in one episode. That's going to be coming out soon. This one, pretty much just a parts bike, 2008 Honda CBR 600. This thing was smashed up pretty good. We got some pretty decent fork damage here. This one is not going to be rebuilt. This one's strictly a parts bike. Sometimes you got to know when to call it, guys. Not every bike can be rebuilt, and unfortunately, that silver CBR 600 is just going to be used as a parts bike for the future. Now, I'm going to briefly hit the last couple bikes. This one is a customer's bike. It's a 1981 Yamaha Maxim 550. Really not too exciting. Got some Chinese pit bikes here that I am currently selling. If you guys are interested in one, hit me up. We've got a couple other customers' bikes, some real small stuff, and this four-wheeler that has been here forever. Now, that pretty much wraps everything up. This is from that ZX-10 that I parted out. Without further ado, guys, let's head over to the other side of my shop and check out that other 900 square feet that has not been seen in the last 4 years. So let's get to it. What the heck is this? Dear Rob, there's a gift for you. I put it in the fridge. Merry Christmas, YT. Oh, well. There's a Christmas gift. I guess I have to go check it out. As you guys know, today is December 25th, or you might not know this. You might be watching this video months, years in the future. Today is December 25th, 2023, and I just wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and it looks like I have a gift right here in the fridge. Okay. I don't know what this is, but let's check it out, and let's unwrap this thing and see what the heck this gift is. All right, let's get to it. Oh yeah, all right. Here it is, guys. The YouTube 100,000 plaque. Now, yes, I did just box this up. I did just wrap it for myself. Essentially, I got this thing. I passed 100,000 subscribers on Thanksgiving Day 2021. I ended up getting this plaque like 6 months later. So I've had this thing for about a year and a half. Hopefully that math adds up. Pretty much I've just had it here. I have not opened it yet. And this is kind of like a present to myself. So let's open this thing and see what we've got. All right. Not gonna lie, my heart's kind of bumping a little bit. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick, for packaging this up. Got our little hard cardstock lettering for a little YouTube award. And, oh man. I've had this thing for probably a year and a half now, and literally this is the first time that I'm seeing this in person. This is pretty cool. This is heavy. This is legitimate. This is heavy. So here we go. That's the YouTube award plaque presented to RK Motorsports for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Not gonna lie, I'm getting a little emotional right now. Thank you to every single one of you guys for supporting me along this journey for the last 4 years. I couldn't have done it without you. This is a good moment. This is a good moment. So thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I truly do appreciate it. This has been a big part in my life. I gotta take a break. Alright guys, I'm back. I did not think I was going to get emotional about that. This is just a big part of my life. YouTube and you guys have supported me so far along the way. The best Christmas present from you guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, if you guys have been with me along the way, you've been watching the videos, have not subscribed yet, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below. It's going to mean the world to me. It's going to help me continue this journey, keep producing awesome content for you guys. And hopefully we can make our way up to the next YouTube plaque with 1 million subscribers. And that's the goal ultimately, is to just keep producing content for you guys. With that, we've got our new YouTube plaque. I've had it for a year and a half, finally got it open. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall, present it proudly. Now without dragging this along anymore, let's go over and see the other side of my shop. Let's go, guys. All right, no more tricks, let's get to it. Let's open this door and show you guys what's over here. All right, so here we go, guys. Just take it all in, take it all in. Just a sea of motorcycles from wall to wall. This is some of the bikes that I have rebuilt previously on the channel, some bikes that are waiting to be rebuilt, other bikes that are not even going to be on the channel at all. But I'm going to walk through each one of these bikes with you guys. I'm going to show you each and every one of them, tell you a quick little story on each one, and hopefully answer any questions you might have about some of these bikes. And real quick, guys, as you can see, about 900 square feet over here. Now if we look through the door over here, there's the shop over there. So this is definitely my storage area for all of my bikes, and unfortunately, I'm running out of room. Like, I need to get working on that new building, new shop project next door ASAP, because I'm only limited to how many bikes I can store in here, and it's getting pretty tight, it's getting crowded, and we got to do something about it. So let's start working on these bikes. This one is going to be a future build. This one is a 2011 Honda CBR 600. As you guys know, I love my Honda CBR 600s. Damage on this one, pretty minimal. I think it's got around 23,000 miles and change. You can see, got some little cracked fairings, really nothing too bad. This one's going to be pretty much a new fairing kit, and then we're going to get that one on the road. This one right here, yes, I do still have this bike, the Honda CBR 1000 Repsol Edition. This right here really jump-started my YouTube channel. This was the most viewed video that I have to date. It's got, I think, over 4.5 million views. If you guys want to check this video out right here, I'll put a link up here in the corner if you guys want to check this video out. If you haven't seen it yet, a lot of people have. This is an awesome bike. Yes, I still have it. Yes, I do still ride it occasionally. Right here, we've got a 2023 GSXR 750. It's got like 1,600 miles. This one is going to be a quick rebuild. I've got OEM parts for it. We're not doing an aftermarket fairing kit. This one's also got a really cool wrap on it. We are going to be peeling the wrap off though, unfortunately, just because the new plastics that I have to get are not going to be wrapped. I'm not going to be able to match that wrap, so we're going to be pulling all of the vinyl wrap off of this bike, putting it back to stock, and get it looking good. Right here, we've got a 2013 GSXR 750. It's got some front end damage. I'm not sure when this is going to get rebuilt on the channel, or if I'm going to rebuild it on the channel, just because of the extent of the damage. Not 100% sure yet, so this one's still up in the air. This one is a 2006 Honda CBR 1000 RR. This has got under 10,000 miles, some damage to the front, damage to the rear. I've got new plastics on the way. This is going to be on the channel. Over here, we got some more of those little Chinese pit bikes. And tucked away in the corner here, this little guy, you guys might not even know what this is. This is the world's smallest two-stroke street legal motorcycle. This one is a Yamaha YSR 50, and this thing is awesome. I tried to get it running a little bit, had a couple issues with it. I might do a video on this one in the future. This right here, we've got a GSXR 1000. This is a 2011. This is one that I have up for sale on my website. This is one that's going to be sold through the dealership here in the spring. Right here, we've got two matching 2006 Yamaha R1s. This one's got a roughly 23,000 miles. This one's got 7,500 miles. Both of these were sold locally at a dealership back in 2006, and now they are back here again today, side by side. Both of these are for sale if anybody's interested. These are both mostly original. This one more so than this one. This one's got a couple aftermarket parts, but these things are beautiful. In front of those ones, here is that Harley that we picked up. Did the video on this one. Got it from Copart in Pittsburgh, PA. Still got those knobby tires on it. This one's going to be for sale here at the dealership. We've got a 2008 GSXR 750 that I bought just to sell. We've got a 2005 CBR 600 RR that I bought just to sell. This one did not have any damage. Right here is a 2010 Honda CBR 600 RR Layla Edition. This is a true Layla Edition. This one is currently for sale on my website. So we've got that Layla Edition. This has got under 10,000 miles. We've got the 2012 Honda CBR 600 that we did a video on. This one's got about 14,000 miles. You guys saw this one. CBR 500, bought this one to sell. This one in the back, this one I did a video for a couple years ago. Sold it. The guy ended up dumping it. He sold it back to me. It's been sitting here for a couple years. I've got to do like fork seals on it. It needs a couple other things. I just haven't had the motivation, so it's literally just been sitting in the corner there for the last couple years. Got a Ninja 250 that's going to be for sale. Ninja 400 that's for sale. We got a 2023 Ninja 650. This only has like 200 miles on it. This thing is like brand new. Does have a rebuilt title. There's tiny little scuff right here, and I had to replace the handlebar and the side fairing. This one didn't have too much damage, so this one is going to be for sale here on my website. 2006 CBR 1000RR. Yes, I know what you guys are thinking. Rob, didn't you just show us a blue and yellow CBR 1000RR? Yes, I did. This one's here, that one's there. Two different bikes. This one's clean, that one's wrecked. Easy enough, right? We've got a 2013 ZX14. This thing only has 977 original miles on it. See if we can pull that up right there real quick. 977 miles right there. So this thing is all original. Older gentleman owned it. He ended up passing away. I ended up getting the bike from there. So that's the story on this one. This thing's a quick bike too. This one, you guys remember this one? This one was a rebuild on the channel earlier this year. We bought it from Copart in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, got it rebuilt. I sold it. Unfortunately, the new owner ended up wrecking it off the road. He went into like a field and the plastics are all busted, beat up. I do have a new fairing kit coming for this one, so I am going to be rebuilding this bike again. Hopefully it stays that way after I get it rebuilt the second time. So fingers crossed, right? This right here, this is also going to be on the channel sometime in the near future. 2023 Honda CB 500F. I bought this one not knowing that the frame was bent. That's one of the things you get when you buy from auction and not see the bikes in person. So the frame is bent on this one. I have a new frame. I'm going to swap it over. Not looking forward to it, but we are going to be doing that on the channel as well. 2003 Kawasaki Z1000, pretty clean. Got that for sale on the website. We've got a 2006 GSXR 600. Does not look like much, but this thing is pretty much almost all back together. I've got a few parts that I have to put back onto it. I'm probably going to be doing a video on this one as well. 2008 Kawasaki ZZR 600. Not a huge fan of the green, but I'm going to be going through cleaning this one up. This one's probably going to be a cheap beginner bike that I'm going to have for sale here at the dealership. Not too much going on with this one. And we have a 2009 Ninja 500 that I probably should not have bought, but I only bought it for like a couple $100, and now it's just taking up space in my garage, which is not what I need right now. So if anybody's interested in buying a cheap Ninja 500, I have this for sale. I'll give you a good price, and I just want it out of here. A couple other bikes, Harley, we've got Ninja 400, a couple cruisers, you know, not too exciting. 2020 CBR 300, and we got this orange Harley Sportster. Pretty crazy paint job on this thing. I really like the orange. I gotta get some new handlebars for it. Probably not going to be doing a video on this one just because of the minimal damage that's on this bike. So I know I just threw a ton of information at you guys. If there is any bike in here that you guys think is very interesting that you would like to see, or the bike that you're looking forward to the most to see on this channel, let me know in the comments below. I definitely take your guys' feedback into consideration when I make these videos. So just let me know in the comments what you guys think is the coolest bike in here that you want to see more of. All right, guys, with that, these lovely girls are going to go back to sleep. I'm going to kill the lights and let these girls rest while we head back over here to the other side of the shop. Oh, it's so much warmer over here too. Oh, so much warmer. It's cold. It's end of December. It's Christmas Day. Last year we had like 4 feet of snow. It's like gonna be 56 today. The weather here in New York is just absolutely crazy. So with that, thank you guys for watching. If you guys can, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button. Let's try and make it to the next milestone here with RK Motorsports. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have a great Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting this channel. I have great content coming through in 2024. We're gonna make it even better than 2023. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Probably see you next year. RK Motorsports, Rob here, signing out. Later, guys. Merry Christmas.